What you drink matters more than you think. You know that drinking sugar sweetened beverages leads to weight gain and tooth decay. Everybody knows that. But did you know that drinking sugar sweetened beverages also leads to type 2 diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, gout, non alcoholic fatty liver disease, all kinds of chronic illness that you don't want? Today, let's look at why cleaning up your drinks is critical for your health. And then we'll consider the best and worst options for hot drinks, cold drinks, even alcohol. Okay, even on a low carb diet, common mistakes like overindulging in artificial sweeteners or overlooking sugar hidden inside your favorite beverages is going to hinder your progress. Relying heavily on diet sodas, for example, and other artificially sweetened drinks can actually lead to increased cravings for sweet food, for carbs, and they can also potentially cause digestive issues. And moms, do not repeat my mistakes. I poured my daughters healthy drinks like juice, apple juice, white grape juice. Now it's just another sugary drink. According to data from in 2021 from the National Survey of Children's Health, more than half of children ages 1 to 5 consumed at least one sugary beverage within the past 7 days. So, what are our simple swaps? For context, it's important to note that in the low carb community, we try to keep it at 50 carbs or under for maintaining a low carb lifestyle. And you're going to shoot for 20 carbs if you have a weight loss goal. Now let's take a look at how many carbs might be hiding in your drinks. Coffee and tea are staples. Everybody loves them, but you're not helping yourself if you're including syrups and sugars. For example, a popular caramel macchiato is going to deliver between 22 and 46 grams of carbohydrates, depending on your milk choices. That's a day's worth of carbs in one cup. So instead, choose heavy cream or MCT oil or even butter to give your coffee that rich creaminess and a little keto boost. If you're still using artificial sweeteners, it might be time to wean yourself off. They are not as safe as they seem. Sugar free does not mean healthy, does not mean risk free. Now, cold beverages, most are full of sugar. Your sodas, your juices, like I talked about, your sports drinks, they're all packed with carbs. Ginger ale, orange juice, Red Bull, any of these are in the neighborhood of 30 grams of carbs per serving. You have a couple of those per day, and again, you've just consumed all of your beverages for the day in a couple of glasses. Your best bet, of course, is to stick to water. I know that's a little dull. Or sparkling waters, herbal teas. If you miss the flavor, and I would, you can throw in some berries or herbs for a refreshing twist. My current favorite is this: a glass of seltzer, not hard seltzers, soda water, sparkling water with a splash of apple cider vinegar. Oh, try it. I know, it sounds weird, but try it. And then a few cucumber slices. It is so refreshing. It's delicious. Now, what about alcohol? Yes, you can enjoy alcohol on a keto diet or a low carb diet, but you do need to choose wisely. Would you be surprised to learn that a single IPA is going to carry at least 20 grams of carbs? And one margarita, 36? And consider this. Are you having just the one? Yeah, I know I didn't in my drinking days. So stick to dry wines, light beers, and spirits, hard liquor, provided that you're mixing with soda water, not juices, not tonic water, not sodas, not colas and ginger ales. Thank you for spending time with me today. Let's stay strong, wise, kind, and good by choosing good food for good health. YouTube thinks you'll like this video next.